How to get $150 Moneygram working promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Moneygram promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Moneygram. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, worthpenny.com. With that, you'll be directed to this page where you can find tons of promo codes. You can see that 75% off, 65% off, $2 off, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. So here is the code. I have selected $20 gift card. You can copy the code. Now I can hit towards the website of MoneyGram, log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you'll find the section of code. Over there, paste the code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get discount in your purchase. Likewise, make sure to try out all the offers as well, because in this page, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals. Lastly, make sure to go through these websites as well, because these websites will also provide a working promo code for MoneyGram. This way, you can easily get up to $150 MoneyGram working promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.